Let's understand death to overcome the fear of death. Almost everyone in the world hates death. The Vedas say that all death is good death and that there is no such thing as a bad death. For those facing natural death, the feeling about death that occurs on the deathbed is called death anxiety or death fear. But it is a cruel feeling. One must be a lucky person to die without realizing it. Yes, friends, almost all the people of the world hate and deny death even though they know that death is inevitable. If it is true that there is one common concern for all, it is nothing but death anxiety. The last worry of man is the worry of death, because he will not be alive to worry further. If you use an object for a long time, you will fall in love with it. Then, when we have to leave that object, we worry. Similarly, because the body and mind have been using this soul for so long, when the soul leaves this body, our mind becomes anxious. Of all the things that are said to be mine, this body is the only thing that we all have the most attachment to. Of all the relationships, namely husband, wife, son, daughter, only on this body, called I will, we all have the greatest attachment. The worry on losing $500 is 100 times more than that of $5. Similarly, we have a lot of worries in losing our body because man has so much attachment to this body, plenty of times than that of anything of ours. We have the fear of having to move to a new and unknown place after death. We have the fear of having to move lonely. We have the fear that all the facilities here will not be there. We have the fear that death has no mercy on anyone. It will continue to frighten and torture anyone, regardless of whether poor or rich, good or bad, healthy or sick, stronger or weaker. Does a stupid man live with such vices as jealousy, anger, revenge, anxiety, cruelty, impatience, attachment, selfishness, allergies, lust, greed when the next minute man is not guaranteed? Before you open your eyes when you were a kid, countdown begins for you. Why does a stupid man who does not realize his status of can die at any time consider full-time duty of looking for instability? The great truth of everyone is in a position to die at any time must be firmly and deeply recorded in the human mind. Do you want to ask why? Only then will feelings of jealousy, anger, revenge, cruelty, immorality, selfishness, lust, and greed disappear. Only then virtues and peace will appear. Only then all sufferings will become pleasures. But many forgets the great truth and so the jealousy grown destroys them. One may need money, fame, everything. But there is a dimension to that as well. Why does this idiot lose valuable health to get the extra money? We lose money by giving health before 60. After 60, we are suffering from not being able to buy health with that money. Whoever keeps this truth of everyone is in a position to die at any time in his mind, he will live without attachment to materials and relations and live in eternal happiness. Only one among such of 1,000 will have the opportunity to recite the Bhagavad Gita. Only 1 in 1,000 people who have the opportunity to recite Bhagavad Gita will have an understanding of soul wisdom. It is this soul wisdom that cures all kinds of worries of man, removes the death anxiety, getting away the man can die happy with a smile. We will see this clearly in the next post. Until then, I pray to Almighty God that all our souls do not leave our bodies. Until then, it's your friend Ravi Chandran to say bye with greetings.